Make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Girl, bend over. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the little bell. That way you get notified every single time that I upload. So now I'm going to be doing a review on the Model Freedom Part wig, y'all. And it looks like this. Let me go ahead and show y'all the little card I got. Here's a little card. So this is how it looks, and it also says on here that you can shift or rotate your unit. So that's why it's called the Freedom Part, because you can wear it in the middle, you can wear it to the right, you can wear it to the left, any way you prefer, and all you have to do is actually shift the wig. Mine in the style number 101, and my color is number 1. Now it does say that it is safe up to 400 degrees for a curling iron, and they also have other available colors such as 1B, 2, 4, 0T, 27, 0T30, 0T5, 30. So this wig, it isn't a full lace part or anything like that. The tracks pretty much start at the beginning. The only place that there is lace is the actual part. So you can only shift it left and right to make your desired part. What I do like about this is that it does give you the option to kind of switch your part, because I know sometimes I'm not feeling the middle look and I only really rock my part going to the right. So that's kind of how I like my wig, so I can always adjust the wig. And this is what the wig actually came in, and the price for this one was $32.99 plus tax at my local beauty supply store, and that's pretty much how it came. And it shows you on here, you can shift it, and it says what is a freedom part. Freedom part gives you the freedom to change your parting by shifting or rotating the cap. No ear tabs, with parting, versatility, and comfort. I feel that it's very natural looking, and another thing that I do like about it is that it's kind of cut in layers. So I don't know if you guys can actually see like the front, but the front of it is kind of shorter than the back. So it goes into a nice gradual cut, which I think makes it look natural when wigs are kind of layered before like you actually buy them and you don't really have to do anything. I love the fact that this one has a layered look already, so it's low-key already layered for you and ready to go. Now another thing I did not do is I did not pull out any hair. I didn't pluck anything. I probably could pull this thing up just a little bit more, but yeah, so I wanted to show you guys this is how the part looks. If you wish, you can always tweeze your part, pluck your part, whatever you have to do, put concealer on it, put foundation, however you like to you know, make your wig to your liking. You can definitely do that with this wig, but I really like it just straight out of the box. I wanted you guys to see just how it looks straight out of the box. Now there was a little bit of shedding, I'm not gonna lie, you know, every now and then, but I feel like synthetic units always shed at the beginning. I don't know what it is, but they always kind of shed, but I definitely do like it. And this is another wig that I use for an upcoming video that I have coming for you all. Okay y'all, so this shifting thing, it really does work. Like it really does work, and I feel like even when I shifted it, I feel like the wig is still the same like natural length. I feel like even though I shifted it, one side is not longer than the other. I don't know, maybe it's the way that they actually cut the wig to make it like that, but yeah, so the length actually stayed the same, which is weird, but I really do like it. This is normally how I wear my part, guys. I like to have my part on the left, swoop it down to the right. That is just how I like to have it. And this wig is very, very flat. Like I don't even have braids or anything in my hair. I just have my natural hair slicked back into a ponytail, and it's still flat and it's seamless. And this one also has 2 combs on the right and the left side of the part, and also there is a comb in the back, as well as drawstrings, because I really do love the fact that wigs have those straps so you can tighten your head up, because everybody ain't got the same head. But yeah y'all, so this is bomb. Like I really, really, really do like it. What y'all think about this wig, this initial review? I think it looks natural, so it's a yay for me. So y'all let me know, yay or nay. Alright, and if you guys have any questions, comments, anything, leave that in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I really do appreciate it. And we've reached 700 subscribers. Yes, so I'm so excited about that. But thank y'all so much, and I hope you have a great day.